The first step is going to Canva. So I'm going to type Canva, and here we are. So if you're not signed in, make sure to sign in to Canva. Today we're going to make an aesthetic journal type of video. So choose the option video. Alright, so now here we're in the blank page. So today we're going to customize our own aesthetic video template. Aesthetic doesn't always need to mean something like this. So maybe this is what's in your mind when I say aesthetic kind of. But we're not gonna make something like this. We're gonna make like our own journal, but in like a template. It's gonna be very easy. So that's what I'm gonna teach you today. The first step is going to be choosing a background color. So go to the option background color. And you can see the colors here. But they're all like bold, but aesthetic always means something like pastel colors. So that's why I'm gonna be going to Pinterest. So now when you're in Pinterest, type color palette. Alright, so now we can see a lot of colors, but choose a color that has a code. So now here we have all the codes as well. So I'm gonna choose this one. So the code is EADFDO. Now go to this and then type the code. So choose the option add a new color and then type. Oh, I forgot. What is it? EADFDO. Alright, so we got our background color. And of course, there should be the topic of the video. So that's going to be our first page now, or you can welcome. So I'm going to have the topic here. And for that, I'm going to elements. So in elements, there are beautiful kind of ones. So when you go to graphics, choose magic recommendations. Alright, you all can see beautiful ones. So you can choose something like this. Keep it like in the middle. And then go to text. I'm going to choose subheading here. And then type. What am I going to type? I'm going to type welcome to my channel. Alright, so for the font, here you can see Canva Sans or whatever the font you have now. Click on that and you can choose your own font style. So here I have some nice options. I really like this one, so I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to increase the size and adjust it to where it should be moved to. Right over here. But I'm going to expand it. Increase in size. Increase. Alright. Right. So now this is plain, right? That's why we're going to make it beautifully aesthetic. So go to elements. And so as you can see, there are some nice options for you to choose from. So get creative. Choose the options you like. Choose what you like. And then start getting creative. Make it beautiful. guys, so I'm done with my first page. I kept it simple, but you can make it as beautiful as you want. So what's a video without any music, right? But if you're just a normal Canva user just like me, it's probably hard for you to find music, nice music, audios in Canva. So here I got a tip for you. So if you have any audio file with you that you feel like it's perfect for the video, go to uploads and then upload your file. So here I have this audio and I added it. So let's wait, I forgot one thing. Alright? So the audio, to make it clean when the video is playing, we're gonna choose this option audio effects and then here fade in, fade out. Right? And also for this, for the text, you can use animation. So here I'm gonna do typewriter. Right. Now let's check everything out. Alright, that came out pretty nice. What do you think? So I only made one slide here, but you can just continue on your video and then make it as beautiful as you want. Alright guys, so that's it from me today. Hope you all enjoyed this video and loved it. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And also recommend more videos I should make. Do you want me to make more videos using Canva or Google Docs like I did before? Make sure to recommend me some ideas. Alright guys, so this is it from me today. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye bye.